Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, my dear? Today we will complete our chapter. Today we will take using models for finding missing numbers. Exercise 2.6 and we solve number 1. And you should write all this question again in your copy. This is your homework. Now we will start. Yes, here 2.6 here. Using models. Yes, using models to find missing numbers. Okay, here this exercise 2.6 we will solve. Here solve use model to help you. Here missing evidence. First here, if we have 612 plus what, it is equal 948. So here the missing number is evidence. So to know the evidence here, what we will do, we can use the model. Here this is a total 948 and 612 here, and we want the evidence. So here this number, this is a big number and this is a smaller number. So to find the evidence, what we will do, we will subtract. We will write 948 minus 612. So the difference, it will be evidence. So I write it here 948 minus 612, and I start subtract. Subtract 2 from 8, it is 6, 1 from 4, yes 3, and 6 from 9, it will be 3. So this is the missing evidence. Now here again we have the missing evidence. So here we have plus, and here we have the number, and here only also number. So here we have the missing evidence. So how we can do it again like this exercise? So what we will do, we will take the bigger number as subtract smaller number from it. So here with the help of the model, so this is the total 12,642, and we have only 7,394. So what is the number here in this? So what we will do, we will subtract. So we will write first 12,642 and we subtract minus 7,394. Now we will start subtract. We cannot subtract 4 from 12, so we borrow 1 from 4 from 2, sorry. So we borrow 1 from 4, so 4 becomes 3 and this 2 becomes 12. Now we can subtract 4 from 12, it will be 8. Here also we have 9, and we cannot subtract 9 from 3, so we borrow 1 from 6, so 6 becomes 5 and this 3 becomes 13. Now we can subtract 9 from 13, it will be 4. Now here 3 minus, we will subtract 3 from 5, it will be 2. 7, we cannot subtract 7 from 2, means we will borrow 1, so 2 becomes 12 and this 1 becomes 0. So now 7, we can take 7 from 12, it will be 5. Like this we can find the missing evidence, and this is your homework, you can write it in your copy. Now here same exercise, and we will take missing minudance. Missing minudance means here we have here subtract. Look, this is minus and we don't know this number. This number means minudance. So what we will do to find this number, if here it is minus, so we will add these two numbers. So here we missing this one, but we have 847 and here 1238. So if we add it together, we can find minudance. So here we put the number, and we should put the big number first and the smaller number like this, and we start add. So 8 plus 7, 15. 5 carry up 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the missing, yes, minudens. Now here again we have the missing minudens. So again we will add these two numbers to find the missing minudens, and this is with the help of the model. So here we have these two numbers. So if we add these two numbers, we can find the missing minudens. So we write it here, a big number up and small number down. Here if we add, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 8 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is, yes, 10. So this is the missing minudens. Okay, here also you can solve it in your copy. Next, here we still in exercise 2.6. here subtrahends. So here subtrahends, we call this number in this place subtrahends. So here we have the first number, and we have the result here. So what we will do to find this number, so we will, yes, we will subtract. So here I write the bigger number up, and here this is the answer, I write it here. So if I subtract these two numbers, I can find the subtrahands. So here 8 minus 8 is 0, 3 minus 0 we cannot, so we borrow 1 from 4, 4 becomes 3, and this 0 becomes 10. So now we can subtract 3 from 10, it is 7, 1 from 3 is 2, and 1 from 9 is 8. Like this we can find the subtrahands. Again here same. So what we will do, again we will subtract, we put the big number up and the smaller number down. After this, if we subtract, we can find the missing number or subtrahands. Now like this we put the big number, this is a big number, we put it here, and this is a smaller number. And now if we subtract, or we can find the difference, so we can find the subtrahands. Now here we write the big number up, smaller number down, and start subtract. Now we can subtract 5 from 4, it will be, yes, 5 from 4 we cannot, so we borrow 1 from 8, so this 4 becomes 14. And now we can subtract 5 from 14, it will be 9. Now it will be 7 now, so 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus, we take 1 from 5, it will be 4. 3 we will take it from 9, it will be 6, and 2 minus 4, it will be 2. Like this we find the missing subtrahands. Okay, here also you can do it, this in your copy. C and D, today we will do it. I think tomorrow we will solve this too. So you know now your homework, try to solve, find the subtrahands and addends and minuends, okay, in your copy. Thank you my dear, and goodbye.